Hey everyone, Kyle Wolf here at AOMC with another product video. As always, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button down below and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all of our content on the channel. Head on over to AOMC.MX to check out all of our great products, parts, and accessories. And while you're there, take advantage of the AOMC Trail Mail. Free shipping and handling on orders over $99. Today we're looking at the 2018 KTM C4 Modular Touring Helmet by Schuberth. You know, it's a high quality touring helmet with a lot of great features. This might be a little bit longer video, so just stay with me. A lot of great features on this helmet. You know, Schuberth's been making helmets for a long time, and they've really come a long way with design and safety and, you know, comfortability in mind. You know, so I might be jumping all over the place, but you know, one of the things that they really take into effect is the ventilation. So, you know, like I said, this is a long touring model, you know, a long ride helmet. So they want to make sure you're comfortable for the entire ride. They've thrown a lot of ventilation into this with this control right here. There's two 10mm vent ports right here, and you can control how much air you're getting through. It's not, you know, just on or off. You can limit how much air you're getting through. It's a 3-stage system. You know, this is all the way open, all the way up at the top. This, you know, restricts about half the airflow, and then this shuts it off completely all the way down at the bottom. So it's three different stages. You know. And with this helmet, you know, really nice aerodynamic design. They've made it where, you know, it's a touring helmet, it's a modular touring helmet, but, you know, a lot of aerodynamics go through, so it's not, you know, putting a whole lot of stress on your head. Really lightweight. With the larger sizes, with the medium and the large and the extra large, you know, this has two shells in it. It's a lightweight helmet. It's fiberglass shell, but it has two different shells in it, the inner and the outer. And so the medium, the large, and the XL helmets are weighing a little over 4 pounds, about 4.4 pounds, 2 ounces roughly. And you know, the smaller ones are a little bit lighter, but that is to meet the DOT standards here in America. This is ECE and DOT approved. But, you know, really nice design with the oval shape of this. So you get a lot of comfortability and a lot of, you know, a lot less wind resistance, which is really nice. One thing about the windscreen right here, this is a double pane. If you can see this, it's a double pane windscreen, so it's going to help keep from actually getting fogged up when you're riding, which is really nice. And, you know, it's going to help with the glare and, you know, just being able to see, but it's not going to fog up on you. One of the things that, you know, one of the other features as far as the ventilation is concerned and help with the fogging or, you know, non-fogging on the windshield is this port right here. You just, it's spring loaded, you just pop it out and you can get airflow moving through the chin and then up into, you know, the inside of the helmet, so you're not going to fog up the helmet, fog up the windshield. Windshield itself, you know, really nice, a lot of adjustment points on it, real simple to get the windshield off. You just rotate it all the way up, and then there's the catch pin on each side right here. You just flip them up, you roll the windshield farther back until it rolls off. Getting it back on is just as easy, really simple. A lot of places on here for, yeah, this is already integrated to be paired up with Schuberth's SC1 communication system. And that's thanks to these two pieces right here, these little covers that pop out. This is for the electronics and the batteries. When you get the battery that comes with your helmet, you can pop them in right there. This is integrated with a microphone, speakers, and an antenna. So you can connect to Bluetooth, you can connect to intercom systems between riders, you can connect to your radio if you have a radio mounted up anywhere, or just play through your phone, through your Bluetooth on your phone, you know, whether it's your music or Pandora or anything, you can do that. So that's really nice. You can't see them, you know, the inner liner where the cheek pads are and where the speakers and the microphone and the antenna are integrated, you know, really difficult to get to, so I'm not going to do that right now. But, you know, just, you know, it's really nice that you can integrate, that's already integrated in here. You know, it's a $700 helmet. You're going to want some features in there, and they've already integrated a lot of features with that SC1 system integration in there, which is really nice. Since this is such, you know, it's a touring helmet, but it's such aerodynamic, you know, kind of compared to, kind of along the lines of a, you know, sport bike helmet. So if you get into a tuck position at all, you know, your head's going to be down, you know, so for more aerodynamics. But if you're riding at night, if your head is down, right here and right here are reflective. So if somebody comes up behind you in a car, they're going to be able to see you, see the back of your helmet, which is a really nice feature, so you can still get that aerodynamic, you can still get that comfortability, but everyone's going to be able to see you thanks to the reflective, reflective pieces right here on the paddings. Real nice foam padding, really comfortable fit. This is true to size. I'm a large fits really well with me. So, true to size, whatever your normal helmet is. Like I said, it's DOT approved, ECE approved. Going back to the windshield, I'll go to the bottom again right here. This little piece right here, this slides right here, and this controls the sun visor, which is really nice. And they designed this sun visor, they tinted this to the extreme limit that you can get, as dark as you can get with sunglasses. So whatever the darkest sunglasses are, they did that with this windscreen. So you get, really nice sunshade, and you can adjust it right here. You can go all the way up, all the way down, or you can stop it a little bit if you just want a little bit of sunshine. If the sun's really high, but it's still just peeking into the helmet, so you want to block that off, but you don't want to completely cover your eyes up with the shade. This little slot right here, you just pull that tab open, and it stops about 5 millimeters, so you can get that. Sun block, but you're not going to be completely covering your eyes. So it's just a really nice feature there. Like I said, just a lot of great features on this thing. The inner liner is removable, and all the foam in the inner liner is antimicrobial, antibacterial. The inner liner is removable, so you can wash it. Don't wash it, don't throw it in the washer, but just wash it by hand, which is really nice. So just a lot of great features, really comfortable. The inner liner, you can take it out and you can adjust. There's Velcro on the underside of the inner liner, so you can adjust the fit on it and where it positions on your head, so you can get the most comfortable fit out of it. So just a lot of great features, a lot of innovation, a lot of design into this thing. They've expanded on it from the C3 that they had a couple years ago. So again, just a great helmet, modular helmet. And that's the thing, I didn't even mention the modular helmet. This little red button right here, press that, there you go. Pop that sun visor up. This will give you a better shot of the inner liner right here. So, like I said, the inner liner is removable, so you can wash it. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial. You can wash it. You can change out the position on top, so you get the best fit. These pins right here on the modular system, they're metal. They're not plastic, so you get a good latch right there. You just bring it back down, locks into place. Really nice system. Really nice helmet, and they've built, this thing's going to last. This thing's going to do really well for you. Another thing that they've done with the technology is they've made it where, the more, by history, the more impact zones, the more, crash impact zones on a helmet, they've put a lot more beef into them while also keeping the slim profile. So, if you're going to hit the ground for any reason, we hope you don't, obviously, but if you do hit the ground, more than likely you're going to hit a spot where more crashes are prone to have happened in the past, and they've put a lot of beef into those areas, so it's not gonna be as detrimental to you when you hit the ground. So again, just a great helmet. This is the 2018 KTM C4 modular touring helmet by Schuberth. Just check it out, all the great features. You can find more items like these, as well as any other great products, parts, and accessories at AOMC.MX.